Hey, good morning. Mr. G here. We've been getting contacted that there's trouble getting internet in certain spots. Certain spots, people don't have internet, period. What I want to show you today is how to work offline inside Google Drive using slides, using docs, using whatever it is you need to use, and you don't need internet to do it. You will need internet to download this extension and get it set up. After that, you can work offline. You'll need internet again to upload the assignments and get them in the cloud, or if you want to send them to teachers or email and things like that. I suggest school parking lot. Safest, most secure for you. Find a way to get in there, get it in, or the closest internet. Maybe you have a neighbor you can stand outside their house. There's always a way. You just have to have the will. So what I want to show you first is I'm in my G Drive right here. Let me come up here and go to offline. Google Docs offline. Sorry, I opened a new window and I'm going to type in Google Docs offline. So I give you a second if you want to type that in right now. I know some of you are quicker to get to the extension store. I'm just showing people basically how to do this. Google Docs offline. Then when you hit your enter or your return, it'll bring up the page, and it's the first one usually right here. Google Docs offline brings you into the web store, and you'll see it. There it is right here, and you see all your Docs things. When you come up over here, you add it to Chrome. Add the extension. You should possibly see it pop right up over here. Now, one thing, it usually defaults to on. Now, I'm on a Mac, so I hit Control. Some of you will right-click. I hit Manage Extensions to make sure that it's turned on. It is turned on by default, so you should be good to go and see it inside your G Drive when you're working. So let me show you what I mean. When I go to Recent, I've already created a document called Test Offline. If you need to create one, just click New, Google Doc, click it right there, create a new one, and call it Test. But I'm going to open this one up. This would be homework that you're working on for any class, or you're writing a paper, or whatever it is that you're doing. Now, once it boots up here, you should be able to hit File. And you should be able to, when you're walking through here, you got all these different options and things that you can do. Okay. Stuff's still loading. You can tell it's all still loading, okay? My internet's slow too. Believe it or not, we're using it up, and I'm hotspotting my phone with unlimited. But you'll see right here, make available offline. So once I click that, document is now available offline. I click File, I can tell it's checked and it's good to go. So all the work that I do, if I'm hooked up to the internet, it'll go right to the internet and teachers can see it. But if I make it available offline, I can work with it offline. Then when I have internet, changes that I made or things that I did, they'll upload. Now, if you have a device that is a tablet or your phone, this should automatically be on there. And I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stick right here with this tutorial, doing it on a Chromebook. I'm actually on my Mac using Chrome as this works. So I hope that helps. Short, sweet, and to the point. Get a hold of me if you have any questions. Thank you much.